Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. I have my IPSYs for you. These are just the two regular Glam bags. These are $13 a month. A lot like BOXYCHARM, IPSY is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. Not a lot like they are now joined together. IPSY bought BOXYCHARM. So these are my Glam bags. So we're gonna do them, I think, in the same video. Matter of fact, I think we will do them in the same video just to save some time. This one here is my Lady Lori. And the theme for this one is Time to Shine. This is for the December 2021. This is the beautiful little, well, I'm sprucing it up because it's Christmas. It's really not anything spectacular. I think they've done better jobs in other years for the holidays, but this is the pretty little bag you get. It's got the little gold kind of, is it rose gold? I have my glasses on, so yeah, it's rose gold, and it has the name. Real nice hardware. This one doesn't have a very wide opening, so you're only going to be able to get, you know, like small products in there. Inside this card, yeah, that's right, I totally forgot about this. That's awesome. You're supposed to have a list of the products that are in your bag. And we don't. We have 2022 beauty horoscopes. Helps me nothing. So I don't know what products were in my bag, nor how much they retail for in the full size. Because what you get is a lot, pretty much all these products except for one, maybe two, are deluxe samples. And then they give you the price of what the full size product would be. So this is useless. But I will put my glasses on and I'll read each item, and I'll pull it out of the bag and I'll show you what I got. All right, this is for Lady Lori. This is Lady Lori's. Yes, it is. And we've had these for how long? Oh, don't even read the date. We got these early. I think they shipped them out early to me. I don't know. Maybe I was the first one to get it. Who knows? This was my pick though. The Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid. It's pretty cool. I can always use hyaluronic acid. You know why? Because this face is getting older. Hydrating serum. What does it say to do? Apply 2 to 3 drops over a cleansed face and neck before creams. Okay, so it's step 3. I would love to tell you what the price is. However, this is a horoscope. Let me pick mine. Mine's Leo. Take time to master your favorite makeup techniques. Oh, okay. You say so. We could do that. All right, what else do we have in here? We have something by Heimish. A Marine Care Eye Cream. This is just a little deluxe tube. Now, let me tell you, just like deluxe, we're talking deluxe. I'm looking at it right here, and I can see through the light. This is as far as it goes. So right here is where the lotion stop. This is lotion. Talk deluxe. Here, just a couple of hands, squirt it on it, and it's gone. Can you get a good enough impression of the product by trying it with the amount they put in the little tiny testers? Some of them, yes. Some of them, no. So it's 50-50. I don't know how much that costs. No, I'm not joking, you guys. Look at this. This is a little tiny pencil by Dragon Beauty. Is it a lip liner? Is it an eyeliner? Unfortunately, my deepest apologies, there's nothing in there. I'm going to say this is a lip liner. Look at the color. So I did everything in my power with the magnifying glass to check and see, and just about the time you get to that word that you think is going to tell you what it is, the next set of words goes right over top of it on the plastic paper. Okay. Pistache, Skincare, pistachio oil hydrating moisturizer with vitamin E. Natural formula, powerful natural formula for intense hydration. That's a decent size. At least this one comes to about right here. So you're getting about half the tube. This would be really good for your hands. These are the kinds of things that I have in my purse, in bag, in the car, beside the couch, in the end tables, over here. You know, there's little cubbies that I have over here that I can do if I'm watching TV. Netflix is binging. Is lazy ass. Some days we have lazy ass. She comes out after insomnia is done, lazy ass kicks in. And then that's all we do. Just quiet. I know, right? So, there you go. Try not to reveal all of our bad traits. Not much I can do with you. She sleeps all the time. Well, not like she's not sleeping today. Or maybe I can say you're asleep because you're just not here and we're all bubbly. That's a good idea. You like that? Thank you. I came up with that one on my own. Okay, Pixie by Petra in this nice little bubble wrap here. See if we can do it without tearing that sticker. Hate tearing the stickers and stuff like that because if it's something I'm not going to keep and give away, I'd like to have it intact. This looks like a highlighter. Glow I powder, creamy gold. And what does that mean? Pixie. Glow. So I guess you would pronounce it glowy, as in glow dash Y, glow Y, glowy. So it's a glowy powder. I'm guessing like a highlighter. That's it, you guys. That's all 5 items. The Pixie by Petra, I do believe that is a highlighter. The Dragon Beauty looks like a lip liner. We had the pistachio oil, which is a moisturizer. Here's an eye cream by Marine Care or Heimish. And then there was my pick, which is the Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid. Can't tell you anything else because inside this card was just it's just the 2022 horoscope. So let's move on to the next thing. All right, this is for Beauty Over 50, Miss Sassy Pants. She got all kinds of stuff inside hers. I gotta sit up straight for this one because when she starts to ordering things and making choices and she's answering her email to IPSY and to BOXY on choice dates, you never know what's going to happen. Okay. I'm looking for the card. I see the items that, and we always tell you guys this, look inside because there are items that will not fit in your little bags and you don't want to throw these things away. Again, time to shine. This is what that other card should have looked like. You should have got a list of all 5 items. One of them was your choice, and then you have the price of the full size, but you're getting the deluxe sample. And then it has a description and a little tip about what to do with each of these items. First one is by First Aid Beauty. Oh my goodness, I've got too much of this anyway. This is something that I give away. It's the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer for sensitive skin. It says, you get all the same nourishing benefits of the brand's OG Ultra Repair Cream, but this one is formulated in a lightweight version that's perfect for oily skin. Tip, morning and night, massage into your skin until it's absorbed. Now the full size is $32. This is called the deluxe sample. The next one is by Law Beauty Essentials. It's a nail polish in 2 p.m. wine. And because I know my sister, the one that's 1 year older than I am, this is kind of cool because these are her initials. I'm gonna give this to her for Christmas, and she does beautiful nails. She takes care of her nails. She goes to the salon, gets them all done professionally. I don't do her nails, but this is cool that she can have something that has her initials on it, and it's beautiful color. 2 p.m. wine. She's gonna like this. I'm gonna tell her, take it to your girl and have her put those on. Put this color on. That is a full-size bottle, unless they make it bigger, which it is not. That's a full-size bottle. Not only is this trendy nail polish ultra shiny and chip resistant, okay, she's going to love that. It's 13 free too. That means it's made without questionable ingredients, like like all kinds of funny stuff that you do not want in your nail polishes. Trust me. Apply a base coat first, then apply thin coats. Oh, 2 thin coats of color and seal it with a top coat. Well, hello. Yes, of course. I mean, that's what I would do. $11. That's a little expensive. Well, no, not really. Not really. Expensive is when you start paying $15 and $20 for nail polish. The SL Miss Glam. This is the BB5 small powder brush. The tip is once a week. Gently wash the bristles with brush shampoo and then lay it flat to dry. Okay, $22. Stay there, dude. You see me trying to... You want to say hi to everybody? He wants to say hi, so hold on. Relax, you're fine. Look, say hi to everybody. Say hi. His name is Buddy. This is Buddy. See how he does the lick, 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 lick? It drives me nuts. This is Buddy. And everybody in the family calls him Fat Ass because he really is. Look at him. He's a big boy. I know I'm trying to keep you off the microphone, okay? This is Buddy. Say hi to everybody, Buddy. Say hi. Say hello. Okay, the next one is by LYS Beauty. There's nothing else in here. And there's 2 more. Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at how tiny this thing is. Seriously. The full size is $12, but this is a Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. So you apply alone or layered over your favorite lip liner or lipstick. And there really is only this much inside that tube. Just that much. That's it. That's what I don't like about the IPSY bags. You're basically paying for this right here. And if you get a full product like this, that's what you're paying for. If you don't get a full-size product in your bag and they're all deluxe samples, you're getting, I hate to use the word ripped off, but you are. So I don't know what else to say except for, oh yeah, we have 5 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here's 5. By the Cream Shop. And let me tell you something. I went to CVS last night and I bought 2 of the under eye masks. One's really, really cute. It has like, hold on just a sec. So these are the ones that I got last night from the Cream Shop. This is How Do I Look. Look at how cute the under eyes are. Look at the pattern. But these are expensive. These are basically $4. That one was. This one, I think, was 5. Or no. Take it back. This was 4 as well, $3.96. This, the Cotton Candy Skin, hydrocolloid. These are those little acne patches. They're really cute. They're cotton candy. They're little pink and blue clouds. It says infused with aloe vera, conceal and heal with the cutest adhesive patches. These are for the girls. I don't have issues like that with my face. But anyway, so I got those. Now, think about it. When you get them from IPSY or from BOXYCHARM in a pop-up, add-on, drop shop, I don't care what it is, you might pay $5 for 2. So that's $2.50 versus $3.96 or $4.50 or $5. One of those was close to $6. And it's just because of probably the animal print. I'm not joking. But this is Baby It's Gold. Baby It's Gold outside. It's 24-hour or 24 karat gold and collagen. This one's the firming and moisturizing essence sheet mask. Love it. Love it. I'm not going to be doing sheet masks on Mask Monday. Or, you know who. She won't be doing them. She's already complaining. I did get an official complaint. I got the email So she says she's not doing either. I give her peel off or, you know, the slather on mud masks, or she's done. And then this one is 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely, Collagen and Squalane, Youth Promoting, Collagen Boosting, and Hydrating. This one's, I hope this one's cute. Stay right there. I'll let you down in a minute. I'm almost done. Just relax. So those are all the items. So these are full size. $3 per mask. That's what I'm saying. It's still cheaper than what I paid at CVS. It doesn't matter how, you can say it any way you want. It's still cheaper than it was at CVS. All right, you guys, that's everything for both those IPSY Glam bags for December 2021. The theme, Time to Shine. I only got a card with items in one. I did not get a card for the items in the other. As for my Glam Bag Plus, you're just going to have to wait on that one because I need to make these videos. I got to stretch them. So I got something to show you during the Christmas week. I got a lot of family, you know, we got kids coming in, the family coming in, stuff like that. So I have to make sure that I do this the right way. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me know what you guys thought about the items I got in these bags. Yes, I do know we opened we did open 2 IPSY Glam bags, and I get that, so the video is going to be a little bit longer, but let me know what you guys think of them, and let me know what you think about Fat Ass. His name is Buddy. he's a good boy. He sleeps with me every night. He will only cuddle my husband if I'm gone. Then he says, you're the only one in the house, so I have to go to you. But other than that, he's on me, my lap. I mean, he's just a lover. That's it for now. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I will see you in the next video. My next video. Happy holidays, you guys, and Merry, Merry Christmas. Bye.